Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my RC Construction YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to talk about my XCRC 945 excavator, and I finally solved the problem with these tracks turning when the arm is digging with a lot of force. A lot of time, if you look in my videos, you can see these tracks just freely turn. So I upgraded the motor ESC in here with a recommendation from somebody in my comments, and I set the drag brake force to maximum. So right now the excavator is off and you can see the tracks freely rotate, but I have my transmitter on, and now once I power up let me turn on the transmitter. Okay, and now that the ESC is actually powered and on, these wheels are very, very difficult to move, and I don't think my excavator will be rolling forward anytime. It may drag the entire machine with the track stable, but it won't just be freely rolling like it did. So I will put a link to the ESCs that I bought in the notes of this video. And there's one other thing I would recommend you buying, because the ESCs are made by Hobby Wing, and this is a Hobby Wing programmer, which costs about, I don't know, $9 to $12. But with this programmer, you're able to just punch in the settings that you want in the ESC very, very easily. Without having this programmer, it has a little switch and button, and you have to tap out kind of like Morse code to program the ESC. But I will put the information for this and for the ESCs in the programmer. The ESCs are actually a tiny bit smaller than the original ones that were in here, which is nice because they fit in there without any problem. And I think they also run at a higher current than the factory ones. So any questions, put your questions in the comments. And I'm glad to have this problem solved. And I am looking forward to excavating again, hopefully tomorrow. All right, take care. Peace.